Do you suffer from blackheads, dirty pores, or oily skin? You've used face washes, even squeezing them, and nothing works.
Introducing the Allura Activated Charcoal Peel-Off Mask. With activated charcoal, bentonite clay, vitamin C, rosemary, aloe vera, and eucalyptus. Designed to remove blackheads, cleanse pores, and absorb excess oils. Allura Activated Charcoal Peel-Off Mask is so easy to use. Just apply a thick layer to your face, let it dry, then gently peel it off. The combination of natural ingredients in Allura Activated Charcoal Peel-Off Mask work to exfoliate the skin, remove blackheads, and reduce the appearance of pores. In no time at all, your skin will feel clean and new again, revealing a beautiful, healthy, glowing complexion. And who doesn't want to look and feel gorgeous? The all-new Allura Activated Charcoal Peel-Off Mask removes blackheads easily and effectively.